So you're wondering what the advantages are of having a veterinary assistant diploma? Are you kidding me right now? I'm Patsy Osmond. I'm a registered vet tech. Been working in clinics for almost 30 years. The advantages of having a diploma in veterinary assisting are that you'll be prepared to work on day one. We teach you all the terminology you'll need to communicate effectively with your team and with clients. You'll learn how to wrap packs, wrap drapes, surgery gowns, and sterilize them so that they're ready for surgery and ready for the doctor. You'll learn various restraint techniques with cats and dogs, how to restrain them for minor procedures, but also how to restrain them properly for various blood collection techniques, such as collecting blood from the jugular vein. You'll also learn how to restrain them and properly position them for various x-rays. You'll also learn how to fill prescriptions properly, counsel clients about nutrition, parasitology, those sorts of things. We also have the latest veterinary software, so you'll be familiar with the software to be able to book appointments and look up histories while you're working at your clinic. We also teach you about resume writing and preparing for your career. And all those things will give you a huge advantage over anyone else that tries to apply for a job as a veterinary assistant. If you're interested in getting a diploma in veterinary assisting, please contact us and we'll start you on your journey towards a great career in veterinary medicine.